In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to refresh a page in Google Chrome, as well as perform a hard refresh when needed. These are simple yet essential techniques to ensure you're always seeing the most up-to-date content on the web pages you visit. Whether you're troubleshooting an issue or just want to make sure you're viewing the latest updates, these steps are quick and easy to follow. First, let's start by learning how to refresh a page using Google Chrome. Begin by opening the Google Chrome browser on your computer. Once you have Chrome open, navigate to the web page that you wish to refresh. This might be a news site, a social media page, or any other site where you want to ensure you're seeing the very latest information available. Once you're on the desired web page, take a look at the top of your browser, right next to the address bar. There you'll see an icon that resembles a circular arrow. This is the reload icon. Simply click on this icon and the browser will reload the page for you. What this does is request the most recent version of the web page from the server, refreshing the visible content in your browser. If you prefer using keyboard shortcuts, there's a quick alternative. Press Ctrl and R at the same time on your keyboard. This combination performs exactly the same function as clicking the reload icon, making it perfect for those who like to keep their hands on the keyboard. Now, let's move on to a more robust technique called a hard refresh. This might sound slightly technical, but it's straightforward and especially useful if you suspect that a page isn't updating properly. Sometimes your browser might use cached data, meaning it loads old versions of a web page to make things faster. If you want to bypass this and assure that every single component of a page is freshly downloaded from the server, a hard refresh is your go-to option. To perform a hard refresh, hold down the Ctrl and Shift keys and then press R simultaneously on your keyboard. Alternatively, you can achieve the same result by pressing Shift and F5 together. When you do this, Chrome forces itself to disregard the stored cache and re-download all the page data anew. This can often help resolve issues where you're not seeing the latest content or if certain elements on a page are not loading correctly. In summary, whether you're working on something important or simply browsing, knowing how to refresh and hard refresh a page using Google Chrome can be incredibly handy. These techniques ensure your browsing experience is as seamless and up-to-date as possible. Thanks for tuning into this tutorial, and I hope these tips help you maintain a smooth browsing experience moving forward.